Who is Ashwin?
Hi Akshay, I'm Ashwin from Pondicherry. Currently, I'm working as a software developer in Society Generale.
Super, super, perfect. So our main talk, Ashwin, like how did you come to know about this, Society General profile? Like how did you apply?
Okay, so basically, once I completed my graduation, so I did my graduation in Sri Manakula Vinayagar Engineering College of Pondicherry under the streamline of information technology. So once I completed my graduation, I was just looking for some job opportunities.
Okay.
So because even though most of the colleges might have some placement companies, coordinates things and everything,
Mhm.
but somehow I feel that I just want to make a independent move from my side.
Okay. Good approach.
So I just thought of scrolling through a lot of platforms like LinkedIn, Naukri, Founded, and even Unstop, everything. So
Mhm.
many things.
Mhm.
So in Naukri, I just came to know about the opening of Society General.
Okay. Mhm.
So mine is off campus.
Mhm.
So basically, Society General process will be into two aspects.
Okay.
So, for example, if you are going via on campus,
Mhm.
you will be getting into intern, and then from internship, you will be directly getting converted as full time.
Okay.
So, in my case, it is direct full time.
Full time.
So, I just went for direct full time.
Mhm.
So, that is one thing. So, I will just structure what all
Yes.
the things
Sure.
that
Please.
I went through.
Sure. Sure. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So, the first two things, so totally five rounds. There are
Mhm.
totally five rounds. First two rounds will be completely in online.
Okay. Mhm.
Okay. First round will be MCQ.
Mhm.
Second round will be coding, which is
Okay.
a basic, not like intermediate, not kind of like more depth into like data structure or something like that. It will be intermediate only. Yeah. So the third thing will be based on your preference. They
Okay.
will call you for in person or it might be virtual.
Okay.
Okay. So the third thing will be technical.
Mhm.
Fourth will be manager round. Fifth will be HR.
Okay. So this is the overview. Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
So perfect. So I think you mentioned about two process. One is on campus.
Yeah.
Campus. If it is on
Mm.
campus, they will hire for an internship based on your performance.
Yeah.
They'll into a full time.
Exactly. Yeah.
So currently, let's focus on the off campus thing, Rashid. Okay.
Sure.
So you applied on the Naukri and you got shortlisted and you got a call from HR.
Mm. Yes.
You got an assessment link through your register mail ID.
Yes.
How was the assessment, Ashwin?
Okay, so the MCQ will be very normal only. Like MCQ, I think hopefully 90 to 95 percentage of the people can clear it.
Okay. Hmm.
There will be no issues in MCQ. But when it comes to coding part, what I would suggest to the people is probably from the college side, they
Hmm.
might have worked on some college projects, some
Okay.
real-time projects
Hmm.
in their final year.
Yeah. Okay.
So if they are well enough to know about Python,
Hmm.
that would be much greater in terms of completing the second part of the assessment because the question, the logic will be bit bigger.
Hmm.
So in terms of implementing in Python, it will be very short because in Python you have a lot of libraries
Three different types.
and
Okay.
stuff. So you can directly implement it and then you can just surpass it. That would I suggest with go with Python. But nonetheless, like if you know about Java, if you know .NET, as you wish, you can proceed it. But programming, what I would suggest is basically you can go through some intermediate program stuffs in lead code. There are so many
Okay. Hmm.
intermediate program stuffs, so you
Okay.
can go through a lot of stuff.
Hmm.
And in some of the colleges, they might have access in Hacker Rank
Hmm.
and Skill
Okay.
Rank,
Hmm. Hmm.
so that they can go through. So probably going through all these aspects itself, they will be able to clear the second round.
All right. So
Clearing two rounds is not a big deal, actually, to my perspective.
yeah. Sorry to interrupt you. Just wanted to ask
Sure.
regarding the assessment part. So camera will be on,
Mm.
Ashwin, during the assessment.
Yes,
So what was the platform they were
it will
using?
be proctored. It will be proctored.
Okay. Platform?
I think Talio.
Calio.
Yeah.
So you mentioned about the assessment. Like, is it whole thing is MCQ kind of pattern, Ashwin, in the first one?
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly.
So it's all about numerical, solve the kind of question.
Correct. Correct. I mean, there will be some programming questions in the MCQ also,
That-
like where you can work. yeah, where you can work around it, and then
Okay.
you will be able to find the answers, and so that you will be able to do it.
Mm.
But later, I think I got an update,
Mm.
like because I did it on 2024.
Okay. Mm.
So okay, so it's been since 2 years I'm working there.
Mm. Mm.
But later I got an update that the first round contains both MCQ plus two coding questions.
In single combo. Okay.
Yeah, and then second round is intermediate coding.
Intermediate. All right. Perfect.
I think out of three, best of two will be picked up. So like that, second round.
And no communication kind of questions in the first round assessment. Correct.
No, no, no. Both the round doesn't have any kind of voice over communication or something like that.
Okay. And coming to the third round assessment,
Third round is technical.
technical. So it was off campus. I mean,
Yeah,
offline, it will be online, maybe 50-50.
it will be based on your preference. Like you can go with in person. I would suggest the people to go with in person. Why? Because two things. One is they will get to know more about you. You
Mm-hmm.
will have some time to interact with the person first.
Excellent. Yep.
Second thing is, but before that, let me give a short suggestion to the people who are going for an interview for Societe General or any other companies.
Mm-hmm.
You make your resume with ATS friendly.
It is. Yep. Mm.
Uh, ATS friendly. Yeah. So there is a website called Overleaf, which
Mm.
is built with latex.
Oh,
And if you don't know about latex, also you can get some help assistance with the
mm.
Chat GPT or some Claude or something like that, and then you can make a well around, and then you will be able to
Okay.
implement it, and then you can just export the resume. So that will be good. One thing. So when it comes to technical round,
Mm.
you should be 100%. You should have 100% clarity with the project that you did it in college,
Okay.
because in the technical round, what they will ask is two things.
Mm.
One is what is your project
Mm.
and why you implemented it. Secondly, in your project, there might be some important aspect that you might implemented it, which is not available, which might be unique
Mm.
in the market aspect.
Mm.
So that they will tell you to implement it. I
Okay.
mean, just to make a write down of it, like
Mm.
you just implement this logic or
Okay.
something like that.
Mm.
They will be asking it.
Mm.
So that thing you should be very clear about it.
Okay. Mm.
And then what they will ask is like, see, basically, many people when coming to Society General or any fintech companies, I think they might exclude the data structure part,
Okay.
because they might thought that data structure is not as much as important at the entry level.
Okay. Mm.
But I would not recommend that. I think it is basically needed stuff in the
What skill set
yeah.
required to the individual?
Yes, but not to the core level. That's what I'm saying. Not to the core level.
Mm.
So that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
So the technical round will be around 40 to 45 minutes.
Okay. Mm.
Whatever the situation, 40 to 45 minutes, the technical round will be held. And once you completed the technical round, so but this technical round will include coding.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
But when it comes to virtual, they will just tell you to share your screen and then implement those stuff and logics and everything. But in person, they will just give you an A4 sheet paper, just write down the logic and everything.
Okay. Mm.
And then 100% they will ask about SQL.
SQL. Okay.
SQL. And SQL. So this is what will happen in technical round.
Okay. Mm.
And the fourth is manager round.
Okay.
So most people will get some kind of like complexity in manager round, because manager round depends upon how you performed in the technical round.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm.
So basically, and also it depends upon the person who you are meeting with
Mm-hmm.
in that
Okay.
particular panel. So for me, what they asked is, I don't know whether you will believe or not. They have just given me a Rubik cube,
Okay. Uh-huh. Interesting.
and then they just told me to solve it. And I told I don't know
Okay.
to solve the whole thing, but I know to solve the one side.
Mm-hmm.
And then they asked, is there any technique? And then I told there is a hide and seek formula around it. So I will just implement it and then I will show to you.
Mm.
So this is what happened. But
Okay.
mostly what will be this thing is, it will be like a scenario based thing.
Mm.
Like they will ask you, they will put you in a situation where they will say like, yeah, so you are currently in a team
Okay. Mhm.
and you're one among the impactful developers.
Okay.
And if no other people is being collaborated to work with you, what you will do and how you will proceed it further. So this is what they will ask it. So and the fifth round will be, of course, HR.
HR.
Yeah.
So in the HR, it's all about like location, reallocation, such kind of discussion, huh? Like how it will be the question.
Yes, yes. I mean, basically, they will actually say this thing also like, what is your designation
Okay.
and which tech stack you might be working. They will say,
Okay.
of course. Second thing, of course, about the location, they will be saying it because I think people sometimes they will not mention it there.
Hmm.
And then once you got the offer letter, you will be coming to know, okay, this is what the location. So that sometimes this will feel some, they might feel some discomfort in it. So yeah.
So, so my understanding is based on your input, first will be the assessment. It will be happening online. Next will be the, so as
Yeah.
of now, latest update is like it's a combo of assessment plus coding question in the first round.
Yes. Yes.
Once we are done, these both will be happening in the online mode.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Yeah.
third round, the technical round. So it will be might happen online or offline depending on your
Yeah.
preference.
Based on your preference. Yeah.
So as you mentioned, offline is more impactful compared to the online.
Yes.
All right. So next will be the managerial round. It's all about giving a scenario, and they will check like how you will be dealing with the scenario. So that kind of individual thought process will be checked over
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
once that is done, the final round, the HR. So that's the casual talk gonna happen, like location. So what you know about company, such kind of question gonna happen.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So this managerial is also offline, Ashwin. How is it?
Yeah. I mean, for me, I think all the three things, technical and the manager and the HR, everything got happened in a day itself.
In the day, okay.
It got completed in a day itself. Yeah.
Ah,
It started by 9 a.m.
hmm.
and then it got completed by 5 p.m.
Okay. So from the assessment to the HR process, how long it went? Like how many days it took, Ashwin?
Okay. So basically, assessment, it is something like a week kind of thing. Like first week, I attended the first assessment. Second week, I attended the second assessment based on the first one selection. And then later, after 20 days, immediately I got a mail that we are going to come to this particular college. So we would recommend that you would come
Be-
and
Okay.
be part of it, kind of thing.
Chalo.
So later, due to some situations, unforeseen circumstances, it prolonged it. It
Hmm.
went to next month.
Okay.
They
Perfect.
just postponed it to next month. Yeah. And then I think January 19th, the interview got happened on 2024.
Okay.
So immediately on the day itself, we confirmed that, okay, you all going to get selected. And then immediately after the 2 days, they sent the offer letter.
Okay. Chalo. And here, each round is an elimination round, correct, Ashwin?
Yes. Yes.
Chalo. So this is the overview. So this is the 5 round. As of now, the latest it will be a 4 round. And once you're done with the HR, how long it took to get the offer letter? Any idea on that, Ashwin?
Okay, so as soon as I completed my interview and everything, all stuffs on January 19th, 2024, immediately after 2 days, I got the offer letter.
Offer letter. All right. Perfect.
Yeah, I got the offer letter, and then they were just expecting the confirmation from our side.
Okay.
And once we confirmed it, and then later everything like the onboarding process, everything will be happening. And one thing that I want to say when it comes to Society General is there will be some kind of a technical procedural thing will be happening before you are joining. Like there is a IIST academy thing,
Hmm.
a
Okay.
training academy thing will be happening before you joining into Society General.
Hmm.
So basically, it is a kind of a overview to about what is full stack
Hmm.
and what all the things presented in full stack and what all the technologies in
Hmm.
full stack. So
Okay.
those programs will be combinedly blended into that particular scheme. So
Okay.
you will be completing it before the timeline which they have.
All right. It's a kind of a prerequisite, a tech stack prerequisite to an individual.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Kind of pre-assessment kind of thing.
Ah.
Yeah.
All right. So, what is the expected CTC, Ashwin, for a fresher? Mention the range.
Okay. So basically, it will be based on the tier.
Okay. Hmm.
college tier. Okay. So if you are coming from IIT or tier one, tier two, tier three, so based on that, it will be fine. So if you're coming from tier one and tier two, I think it will be like 8 to 12, 8 to 13.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
And if you're going to tier three, it will be like 5 to 7.
Okay. Depending on the tier, it varies.
Yeah.
And once you get the offer letter, from the day one, you will
Mhm.
be paid according to your full-time package, or there will be internship. How it will be, Ashwin?
No, that's what I told you because
After the full-time.
when you're going through, yeah, when you're going through off campus, it won't be like that.
Okay.
It will be direct full time. It will
Full-time.
be like, yeah. So once you get into company, the very first month you will be getting into a training,
Okay.
1 month of whole training.
Hmm.
So the training will be with full stack only.
Okay.
So front end will be Angular, back end will be Spring Boot.
Okay.
So and then later in the training period itself, you will be picked up by some team.
Okay.
100% you will be picked up by some team. Okay.
All right.
So once you got, yeah,
Yeah, we got understood. Like initial, there will be a prerequisite learning will be there. So once you're done with the
correct,
prerequisite,
correct,
you are allocated to the project. So that's
correct.
one. Is there any bond, Ashwin?
No, there is no agreement kind of thing.
Superb. All right. So what is the working mode as of now, Ashwin? How is it? Like work from office, home, hybrid? How is it?
Okay, so basically, previously before the from COVID till 2020,
Hmm.
5 mid, it was like 8 days in a month, eight
8
days
days
in
in
a
a
month.
month?
Just you need 8 days
Okay.
in a month. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But now it is like 12 days,
12 days. All right.
12 days in a month.
Okay.
So there is no something like based on your team, what
Hmm.
is the scrum time? Based
Okay.
on that time, you can log in.
Okay.
And then there is no restriction like you should log in till this time or something like that.
All right.
So when it comes to the flexibility, it will be very good.
Superb. And cab facility will be given from the company end. Correct.
Exactly, correct.
How is the food, Ashwin? Is it free or is it paid? And at the cafeteria, how is it?
100% paid.
Paid. Okay, nice. So, so what else we can add, man? Uh, Accommodation facility. Let's assume that I am from Bangalore and my HR
Yes,
says that actually you need to relocate to the Hyderabad. So accommodation facility will be provided from the company. Can you talk on that?
yes. 15 days accommodation will be given to you initially,
All right.
and then you have a lot of kind of reimbursement things
Mm, mm.
like work enablement reimbursement things. I think most people will forget it. So because once they get into this company, I think they can avail it this kind of things like by purchasing something for their productivity, everything. So we can reimburse it.
All right. So I think we covered pretty much everything. So if you have any suggestion, any tips to the freshers or viewers, please feel free to add. Ashwin.
Yeah. So basically, like when it comes to this, any fintech
Mm,
like Societe General or JPMC or anything, but this is completely with Societe General only. What I'm gonna say. The first and foremost thing, there will be some fear mongering thing like you should know French. Only if you know French, you'll be getting into this. Not like that. So
okay.
for that, there is a separate process
Hmm.
for. But if you know French, if you have any certifications on French,
Mm,
I think it would add a great value in resume. So you can just include it in the resume. Like if you did any certifications on French, if you know
hmm.
French, something like that.
Okay.
If you have Duolingo certifications, that would
Mm,
have a greater impact because first thing. Second thing will be there is a technical template which is revolving whenever IT companies are being
mm,
like people are getting into IT. Like they were saying, like I know this, I know that, I know
mm,
React, I know Angular. Okay, that is good.
mm,
But thing is, like since AI is booming and AI is uh, occupying everything,
mm.
like it is minimizing the human work.
Okay.
We should
Mm,
know a lot about the functional thing also.
okay. Agree.
That is the foremost. That is the first and foremost thing that I would recommend everyone. So it's a good start for everyone who is getting an opportunity to start with Society General because
Mm,
you will be learning a lot functionality.
all right.
So you will be knowing about a lot of payments
Hmm.
and what is stock date, market date, and what is everything with
Okay.
regarding the trades and everything. So that is one second thing.
Hmm.
Third thing would be like you will have lot of time to self improvise yourself in
Okay.
terms of
Learning.
professional and personal and everything. Yeah, and then you will be getting a lot of learning platforms.
Okay.
And here, if you are very well interested in cloud, so we
Mm-hmm.
have some SG Cloud Academy, something
Okay.
like that. So where you can train yourself for Azure 204 Associate Developer or Azure 900A for the basic fundamental. Then you will be able to getting into it. Yeah.
Perfect. Super. And appreciate for mentioning those, Ashwin. And I think we covered pretty much everything. And from my end, I have asked all the questions. And so, last, Ashwin, thanks a lot, man, for taking time and joining us. I know it's
No
week.
problem, Akshay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, and I appreciate your concern and the interest towards the community. I mean, you share your interview experience and give some tips to the audience means a lot, man.
Yeah.
And
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
yeah, guys, this is all about this talk. And if you want to connect Ashwin, I'll be attaching his LinkedIn profile in the description. And we have
Sure.
a small startup. If you want to explore, link is given in the description. If you have any queries, make use of YouTube comment section. And Ashwin, thanks a lot, man, for taking time and joining us today.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Akshay. Thank you so much.
And yeah, guys, this is all about this talks. In the next video, take care.